Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So in the last video you have learned the other parts of the introduction. Just like, for example, I work, I study, I live in Delhi, I am 22 years old. So that kind of introduction you have learned in the last video. And today you are going to learn cómo formular las preguntas. Cómo formular las preguntas. What is it? It would be translated as how to form questions or how to ask questions in Spanish. So today you are going to learn how to form basic questions in Spanish. And let me tell you a fact first. The very first thing, let me tell you a thing in Spanish, that there are always two ways to ask question. Any kind of question, any type of question you want to ask in Spanish, there are always two ways: formal way and informal way. Just like in Hindi we do, suppose let's say I want to ask what is your name in Hindi, I would say आपका नाम क्या है. And if I want to ask in a informal way, I would say तुम्हारा नाम क्या है या तेरा नाम क्या है. So just like we did in Hindi, we do in Spanish also. There is a formal way, there is an informal way. And the questions you are going to learn today, how to form questions, how to form basic questions. So the answers of these questions are available in the fourth video, in the last video, fourth video in the playlist how to introduce yourself on my channel, Spanish with Pallavi. So subscribe my channel, share it, like it, give your love to it, and tell me what thing you liked in this video and what thing you don't like. So just comment in the comment section and just let me know. So let's get started. ¿Cómo formular las preguntas? ¿Cómo formular? How to form las preguntas. Las is a article. The questions, okay. Pregunta is a feminine, and preguntas is here, so plural form. Las preguntas. La is a single form, las is a plural form, okay. So las preguntas. So let's get started. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Let's say first this. Form question with this tu. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? What is your name? This is an informal way. If you are going with tu, you are saying तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Let's say in Hindi. That is an informal way. In English, what is your name? In informal way. And if you'll go with su is a formal way, tu is an informal way. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Is an informal way. What is your name? ¿Cuál es su nombre? Is a formal way to ask what is your name. And in Spanish, this is a question mark we use before every question we are going to ask into the written form. Okay? ¿Cómo? Let's go to the another one. और इसका answer, let me tell you, mi nombre es Pallavi. Mi nombre es Pallavi. You have learned that in the very first video of the playlist how to introduce yourself in my channel. So stay tuned with the playlist and learn from there. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Mi nombre es Pallavi. ¿Cuál es su nombre? Mi nombre es Pallavi. So answer would remain same, but ¿cuál es tu nombre? Whenever you're going to ask question, there is a formal way and informal way. Next question. ¿Cómo te llamas? I told you that is a verb. Llamar. Llamar or llamar you can say. Okay? To call, which means to call. So ¿cómo? This is a formal way basically. This is a formal way to ask question. Formal way in the sense आपका नाम क्या है, और this is the same question, but it would be translated as how do people call you, how do they call you, okay, by what name they call you. So this is the meaning. Let's say how do they call you, how do people call you, that is the translation of these questions. These are same. This is a informal way, this is a formal way. Como te llamas? Llamas or llama is a conjugation of llamar verb. Okay. Como te llamas? How do they call you? How do people call you? By what name they call you? In a informal way. Te llamas. Llamas. As. Te llamas. This is an informal way. Like तुम्हें किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? ठीक है. Como te llamas is an informal way. Como se llama is a formal way. Okay. Wherever we are using tu, te. Okay. So that will be informal way. We are using su or se. और with that you have to remember te के साथ हम yamas use करेंगे second form of yamar verb and se के साथ हम third form use करेंगे yama, not s. So ¿cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es su nombre? Mi nombre es Pallavi. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo se llamas? That is the same thing, but in an informal way and a formal way. And the answer would be Me llamo Pallavi. You have learned this in the very first video of how to introduce yourself playlist. Okay, so yeah. So in the second part of this video, you will learn how to ask, do you work or do you study? So as in the last video, when we were introducing ourselves, we were saying yo trabajo, yo estudio, which means I work and I study. So we will learn the questions, how to form questions regarding that. So let's get started. Trabajar is a verb which means to work. Estudiar is a verb which means to study. Okay, so the conjugations are this. Trabajar, as I said, there are two ways to form question in Spanish, formal way and informal way. So you will learn both. Trabaja usted. Like this is not statement, so you will ask in a question form. So expressions plays a very important role in Spanish. So when you are asking question, you will ask trabaja usted, trabajas tú. So express yourself. Expressions plays a very important role. You are not telling them you work. Trabaja usted? No. You have to ask trabaja usted. You have to ask questions. So you are asking question. Trabaja usted, like do you work in a formal way. Trabajas tú, do you work in an informal way. Estudia usted, do you study in a formal way. Estudias tú, do you study in an informal way. So wherever this usted will come, no, that is that will be translated as aap. Usted aap. Tu, like these both are you, but this is a formal way to say you. This is a informal way to say you. Like with usted, you are giving respect to the person to whom you are asking question. Okay. So usted matlab aap hota hai. Trabaja usted, do you work? So with usted we will not use as. We will use as with tu only. So wherever the tu will come, it means you are asking just normally. You are not giving them respect. You are not saying aap. That is not a formal way. Okay. So trabaja usted, formal way. Trabajas tú is an informal way. Estudia usted, do you study? Estudias tú, do you study in an informal way. Tu के साथ हम as use करेंगे. Usted के साथ we will use a only, not as. Just remember that. So in the third part of this video, you will learn about donde. Donde, what is donde? Donde means where. Okay, where. So suppose I'm having conversation with my friend and he or she will ask, do you work? Tu trabajas tú, trabaja usted, formal way and informal way. I will say sí, yo trabajo. Sí, yo trabajo you have learned in the video I told you. Okay, yo trabajo. Okay, sí, yo trabajo. Sí with accent. Sí, yo trabajo. Yes, I work. And obviously we are having conversation, so she or he will ask me, ¿y dónde? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde trabajas tú? Trabajas tú will remain same, but we will add ¿dónde? We will ask, ¿dónde trabajas tú? Where do you work? Where? The questions will remain same. Trabajas tú, trabaja usted, estudias tú, estudia usted. Questions will remain same. We will add just donde if we want to ask where do you work. So yeah, donde we will add before the trabajas tú, trabaja usted, estudias tú, estudia usted. Donde, where. Suppose I'm having, let's say in English, I'm having conversation. Someone is asking, suppose my friend is asking, do you work? Trabajas tú? I will say sí, yo trabajo. He will ask, ¿dónde trabajas tú? ¿Dónde trabaja usted? I will answer, yo trabajo en Delhi. Yo trabajo en Delhi. Just say the name. Just say the name of the place. Any place. Places will remain same in Spanish. Okay. So yo trabajo en Delhi. And if he or she will ask me, ¿estudias tú? Do you study? I will say sí. Yo estudio. Yo estudio. Or he or she will ask me, ¿dónde estudias tú? Where do you study? I will say yo estudio en Delhi. Yo estudio en Delhi. Yo estudio en universidad. The university. Universidad. ठीक है? So which means like donde is like where. Where do you work? Where do you study? Where do you live? Okay, so for today's video that was it. You have learned so many questions, and in the next video also there are some questions left. I will be teaching you in the next video. Stay tuned with my channel, share it, love it, give your love to it, and just tell me what do you like about the video or you don't like. So just comment and share it. Adios, hasta pronto.